Greg here. We're going to take a look at doing some quick edits with product categories within the WooCommerce module, products for WordPress, in particular for Tribe's collection site. So we've got kind of a quick search tool here to help us find a given product that we want to do an edit on quickly. So I just finished. This is kind of my working file here, so I'm just going to do some updates so I know what I've already done. And I'm on to cap sleeve top. Oh, excuse me. So I'm doing just a quick search. Cap sleeve top, and there we go. It shows up in the list. Now I can click on it to edit. The description is in for this one. We notice in the categories over on the side here, it's under women's, but it hasn't been checked off that it goes under tops under women's. So I'm just going to check that off. And while I'm in here, I'm going to set the price to be correct. And the SKU is also correct. Now this I'm taking as a top. Chances are it is going to have multiple sizes. So I'm going to set it as a variable product, which changes a few other things. And then we go through the steps that we went through before, where I'm going to pull in, I want to do size. I want to select all. I'm going to knock it down to just those ones. Use for variations, get rid of that. Save attributes. Once that little wheel is done, now I can pop over to variations. I'm going to do link. This is going to pull them in for us. So 5 variations added. And now I just have to pop in. They're all going to use the same SKU number. I could set different ones for the different sizes. It actually might come in handy, but you don't have to. So we're doing this for a cap sleeve, and it's the one with no crest. So those are all going to be set to 110. So I can enter, do the next one, glaps, next one, glaps, next one. And I'm going to set medium as our default. And so now that that is ready and I've got all these other things, I'm going to click that little update button. I've been adding description of plain, meaning that there is no crest for this one. And that gives us our product in place, our pricing. So if we go and take a look, there we go. That gets us back to that one. So that's quickly doing product categories with a couple other edits while we were there.